Hello everyone, I'm excited to show you some pieces we have from Chanel and Hermes.
These pieces are one of the hottest investment pieces in the market today. With those brands, their values holds up pretty well, making them more in demand than ever. Here we have a couple of classic flips in caviar leather, possibly the most in-demand model from Chanel. We also have the Urban Spirit backpack, which is perfect for carrying all your essentials. Another favorite piece is the round as earth crossbody bag. The mini front of this bag will add such a classy look to any outfit. I also have this rare collectible piece, the 1995 hard vanity bag with patent leather exterior and gold hardware. Of course, aside from Chanel, we also have the staple favorites from Hermes. We have the Birkins in an assortment of palladium and gold hardware. The ultimate e-bag, the Birkins are used by a lot of fashionistas as the travel companions. We also have the Kelly, Lindy, Gypsy, and the Plume, all other key pieces from Hermes that continue to be timeless, thus holding its value.